We hit 5,000 users and then nothing. 3 months of flatline growth. My team had 5 different theories, but zero data to back it up. I used to hire growth consultants for this, but today I'm using Rocket 1.0 to diagnose the stall, track the competition, and build the fix all in one platform. The first pillar is the solve pillar. We're going to solve a deep issue that can scan our business and figure out what it is that we're trying to overcome. We are diagnosing why a B2B project management tool hit a growth plateau and what it will take to overcome this. So we're actually going to go ahead and type our issue right into the solve and go ahead and push this. Now it's thinking it's going to solve everything. It is going to ask some clarifying questions. So we'll do, let's go business to business, and it is a paid subscription. And so now it's determining the core objectives. So as you can see, it's analyzing my requests. And now you can see that it built out 6 different items, quite a bit here. So this is going to take about 90 minutes or so because it's firing off thousands of parallel queries across publicly available sources. Plus, if we would have uploaded a lot more data from our own company, it would be able to take that data and run it and give us a better report. I just put in a basic prompt essentially that is going to do a bunch of research, but the more data you give it, the better results you're going to get. So we've run some analysis with other businesses, and on this one, this was a high ticket offer for 25 to 50,000. It was a mid market. As you can see, it decomposed all these queries, and there was 13. And this is the final report that you would actually get. So this is a 25,000 to 50,000 tier is empty for a reason, and it's solvable. So it prints off this 25 pages that it addresses everything. So as you can see, it has quite a bit of information here that you could run through. But this is the quality information that Rocket.new is doing that you don't have to pay a growth consultant $10,000 to $20,000 to do. You can have it all done in just a few hours. One of my favorite parts about Rocket.new is the ability to use a tool that's not only a news feed, but more of a intelligence over information strategy map. By monitoring 6 signals of categories from website changes, social media, news, reviews, pricing, all with pattern recognition and validation, you can see with this is lovable. They've added 153 campaigns in 16 days, 55 million visitors to their website, and 8 product releases. They've had this significant signals, data coverage all over the web. And so it's just a great way to really see how amazing a competitor is doing. But you can see that for Perplexity, over 179 million visitors. Their social intelligence, you can see the printout here, their blog changes, social media platforms. You have engagement, and they've just grown exponentially. News, GTM, product and technology, people and hiring, and so forth. So here is the third tier, which is building. So we have it diagnose a application drop off, and you can see the onboarding workflow that it created. So just by building a 3-step onboarding wizard for our B2B project management SaaS, you can see that it already built out this website here with the on flow. You have full name, activate your account, and you can see all of the remix. You can do desktop view. So if we want to do tablet, if we want to do mobile, it is responsive. And you can just, with a single launch, click on launch. So I'm going to show you how easy it is to actually connect your Google. So this was that 3-step we talked about, and they have built-in tools that you can pick. I mean, there's so many of them. GitHub, Notion, Google, all these different connectors. And we just talked about setting up a 3 email onboarding sequence. So we'll go ahead and use Google. We'll click on connect, and it's going to have all sorts of options. So we're going to go ahead and click our Google account, and then we'll just accept it. And we just connected our Google, and it's able to essentially build that out for us, connect it to our OnFlow, and it will automatically send out those emails. So after we built on our OnFlow, we can actually have a 3-part email sequence that is being built. As you can see right here, it says a behavior trigger with 3 email drip sequence has been created. We can either do MailChimp, Bravo, MailLite, or SendGrid, and we just connected our Google, and it's able to essentially build that out for us, connect it to our OnFlow, and it will automatically send out those emails when people sign up, creating that onboarding experience, which is great for reactivation. And so by doing all of this together, you're able to really grow a business and scale it. So you can see how powerful Rocket.new is. So stop building on vibes and start building a business on evidence. If you're tired of being the human glue between 5 different AI tools, it's time to switch. Check out Rocket.new right now and sign up today. Also, if you like this content, please remember to like, comment, and share. We also appreciate for you for subscribing. Until next time, guys, remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.